Which one is correct? A. Mit der Bus. B. Mit dem Bus. It's B. Mit dem Bus. And in the next 60 seconds, you will stop guessing and know the basics of Dative. German Dative is not random. Instead of trying to speculate about the logic behind its use, you should stick to signal words. Mit is such a signal word which always requires Dative. It follows a very simple, repeatable pattern. Say it with me. Mit dem Bus. Mit der U-Bahn. Mit dem Taxi. Mit den Bussen. Notice there's a little N behind Bussen, but that doesn't really matter for now. You can use M, R, M to remember the endings in Dative. Which one is correct? It's B. Ich fahre mit dem Auto. It's A. Ich fahre mit der Fähre. By the way, how do you get to work? Mit dem Bus? Mit dem Auto? Write it in the comments below and I will correct your sentence. Let's say it together. Mit einem Bus. Mit einer U-Bahn. Mit einem Taxi. Mit Bussen. Follow me on my trip from Hong Kong to Shenzhen to test your knowledge. Ich fahre mit einem Bus. Ich fahre mit einer U-Bahn. Zur Grenze gehe ich zu Fuß. Ich fahre mit einem Taxi. Und jetzt warte ich für 2 Stunden. You will find out what I'm waiting for in a minute. But first, if you found this video helpful, subscribe and don't forget to leave your comment about how you get to work. Okay, so this whole trip was honestly just to go to this one restaurant and it was worth it. The total trip I think lasted around 8 hours, but I would do it again. It's just so delicious. If you're ever in the area, go to this restaurant. They serve grilled eel. It's amazing.